What's up, my sugies? Ashley here, and in today's video we are going to be doing something a little bit different. It has been such a long time since I have done an unboxing, and I decided that I was in the market for a new crossbody bag, and of course went on the Nordstrom app and went absolutely crazy, found so many things, so I decided to order them, do an unboxing with you guys, and then decide what I was going to keep. So if you are interested in seeing this designer unboxing of handbags and accessories, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, let's jump into the video. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of some of the things I'm going to be unboxing with you guys. I am super excited about this. So I went on just looking for a new crossbody bag. I wasn't really sure what color, what style. I just wanted to kind of skim and see what spoke to me. And I ended up not only finding crossbody bags, but I also found some amazing accessories. So we're gonna open these first and then we will move on to the bags. And the first one is from Saint Laurent, and I love YSL. I think that they have some really amazing pieces. This one happens to be a card holder. And the reason I love this is really nice, is because it is the black on black pebbled leather style. And this to me is a winner because I have seen so many of them that just don't aesthetically look right to me because of the hardware color. I just love the classic black on black. I feel like it will go with any outfit, any season, male or female, just super, super universal. And that's what I look for in bags, unless it's, you know, a one of a kind. But this really spoke to me. This is the Saint Laurent Neuro. It just comes with a basic tag. It does come with, as you can see, 2 pockets on this side where the actual emblem is, and then 2 on the other side. And then what I really liked about it is it did open up in the middle. So if you wanted to put receipts, anything like that, that would really work for this as well. I do feel like it's a little bit small, which is why I purchased the other item to see what I thought. They're very similar, just different sizes. And I really like this. If I could keep both, I totally would, because you could just put like your ID and debit card in this, and then in the other one you could put, you know, everything, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be a good girl. So this is the first item, and moving on to the second. This is also a Saint Laurent item. It is the Noir French wallet. And this, you guys, I have really high hopes for. It comes in a little baby dust bag. Oh, yes. This is magnificent. Yeah, this is perfection. This is their French wallet, like I said. Comes with, let's see the little card in the back. This was a little bit more than the business card holder. Obviously, it's more of a wallet style. I've never had a small wallet, to be completely honest with you. It does have a snap closure. Oh, very nice. Accordion style, and then on the inside is where the slits are for the cards, as you can see there. So there's 2 on this side, and then there's 2 in the back, and it's just open in the middle so you can put money, receipts, all of that stuff. This is perfection. And then in the back, the actual back slits open as well, so you could store stuff in there. Yeah, this is perfect. It's about the same size as my phone. So if you're looking for something that's about that size, it's a little bit bigger than a card holder, then this would be perfect for you. And I love, again, the fact that it has that beautiful luxe black on black hardware. And then this leather is pebbled. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. I would not say it's glossy, but it's not matte. It's just got a very nice down the middle sheen to it, and I love it. The quilted lines, it's not too plain. This leather feels super durable. I feel like this could literally last forever. I really, really, really love this. Definitely keeping this. The card holder I feel like the reality of me taking cards out of here and putting them in there and bringing that with me, I think this is going to be the winner for me. So really loving this monogram French wallet, YSL. This is definitely a winner for me. So we've got a 1 out of 2 so far. Now we move on to the crossbody bags. Now, this, they're both by the brand Givenchy. This one came in a totally different dust bag than this one did. I'm not really sure why. Maybe because they're from different lines, what have you. But I am going to go ahead and open this one first. And this is same exact style, like I said. I don't remember the exact title, but I know it is the Antigonia, I believe that's how you say it, bag. Ooh, she is so cute. I love, love, love this leather. And I love this hardware. Super beautiful. Oh, let's open her up. Here's the tag inside, so this will give all the deets. This is the black Antigonia bag. It does not say what size she is. It just says one size. I'm pretty sure this is the mini and not the small, because the small was not really crossbody style for me, in my opinion. Again, this is from Nordstrom. I love the massive zipper on this and the massive teeth on the zipper. I feel like it's very indestructible, if that makes sense. So on the inside, we have, in the back here, it's going to be almost impossible to show you with this black lining, but there are 2 pockets right here. They're just kind of like open slit pockets, so you can put like a phone or what have you in. And then on this side, there is the zipper compartment that has just a basic depth and basic width zipper compartment. It does go, I would say, the entire side of the bag. So the zipper compartment is going to go all the way across. This is a very nice, basic, simple bag. The other Givenchy bag that I have is the medium size. It's massive and I love it, and it's red and it's bold, and the leather is completely different. I will say, honestly though, now that I've compared them both, I feel like that leather is a little bit nicer than this. This is nice, but it's not as luxe to me as that red one is. I mean, it is that smooth, shiny, hard, supple, like luxe leather, and this is just kind of okay to me. Like, if you didn't have that high-end name, you know, would this look like super, super expensive and high-end to you? I don't know. I guess that's a matter of opinion. I do want to talk about this strap though. This strap is very nice. It is very adjustable, and it has these really nice kind of spike pieces that are the hardware that go through the holes. It is on the longest adjustment right now, so I could make it a little bit shorter, but I will show you what it looks like on as a crossbody bag. This is, like I said, on the longest adjustment, so it's going to be a little bit longer, but it hits right at the waist, as you can see there. And then if I put it on crossbody, then it does hit at a very nice length. I think it's a little bit too long just on the shoulder, but right here in the front, as like if you're wearing it in the front or in the back, I feel like that's a really nice length for you. As you can see, the size, it's a very nice size, especially because these points kind of come out. So you have a good, I'd say like a 10-inch bag. And then if you were to turn around and wear it on the back, it's just really nice. It's not too bulky. That's what I was afraid of with a small, that it would be too bulky to wear, you know, legitimately crossbody. And then if you wanted to put it on your arm as a top handle, it is a little bit smaller. Like, it's not the widest top handle, but again, I would most likely not carry it like this. I would just throw it on as a crossbody or hold it by the top of the handle. So super nice, but I am excited to see the other one because this leather to me is nice. I'm just not, I guess I would say 100% sold on it, but very nice classic black. You really can't go wrong with. They did have this available in the croc, but the reason I didn't get that is because one of 2 reasons. One, it was super shiny, and I didn't want a super shiny croc because that's more like patent leathery to me, and then that's a little bit dressy, and I just didn't want to go down that rabbit hole. And the other reason is I do have another Saint Laurent bag that is a different style. kind of like that wallet in the black croc. So I'm optimistic about this next one though. Here we are. She is in her matte and shiny black Givenchy dust bag. And again, same exact style, just a different color. Ooh, yes. Girl, that is what I'm talking about. Yes. This is a beautiful, it's like a taupey gray color. I feel like it's really transferring nice on camera. This is not too uber shiny. It is like a sheen, like a regular satin finish for the croc. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. It does have a light gold hardware on it, as you can see here. Very, very nice and subtle, not too dressy. And then of course on the inside, it is much more visually appealing because it does have the contrasting color. So there you can see the zipper pocket that goes all the way across. And then on this side, as you can see, it has got the two pockets. One is flat and then one's got a little bit of a ruching, I'm assuming for your phone or to put whatever you wanted on the inside. The tag does say it is the Antigonia mini bag. So this is the mini, I was right. This tag is different. I don't know if these are from different lots or different what, but it does say it is the Antigonia mini bag in the color Dune, and it is 100% calf, made in Italy. And then of course it comes with this little, whoa, booklet on the inside, and then I don't know why it has like a sample of the fabric. Very interesting. Does anybody know why this is happening? Like why I'm getting samples of the leather? Very interesting, Nordstrom, but very nice. It does not have feet on the bottom, but it does have these two pieces of leather, so it does give it some nice support. It is a more hard bag, so it has nice structure to it. I love that, especially with my red one. I mean, you can put a bowling ball on that bad boy and it is not going anywhere. It's a nice, solid bag. This color, you guys, is seriously, it is like taupe and gray had a baby. It is a taupey gray, if that makes sense. More gray than anything, but it's just got a hint of taupe in it. And it's very nice, very neutral. I love this leather so much more than this. Like, I feel like this is just super luxe in comparison to this guy right here. This just is kind of like, wah, wah, wah. Like, okay. I really wish that it wasn't, because I would keep the black verses, but I really love this bag, you guys. So mini size, I'm going to show you again what it looks like on. This is just carrying it as is. I will show you what it looks like on the shoulder. Again, those adjustable straps, so they're both on the longest extension that they can go. So this is the longest length for on your shoulder, and then switching to crossbody. I mean, how nice does this look for fall? This is like a great fall bag, you guys. Oh, I love. And then I can take my little baby, put her inside, and there you go. Throw your phone in there, throw your accessories, and you are good to go. So this is definitely a winner for me. I absolutely love this. I think this is perfection, as well as this wallet. I will, as always, link this stuff for you guys down below, so you can see if Nordstrom is sold out of it for whatever reason. You can find it on the actual websites of the manufacturers themselves. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this unboxing and haul of my designer handbags and accessories from Nordstrom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything directly in the description box down below. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one.